There are two problems in this video. Let's solve them. A solution of 300 milliliters contains 45 milliliters of ethanol. What's the percentage by volume concentration of the solution? To solve this problem, we can use this formula. Percentage by volume equals volume of the solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Here, volume of the solution has been given in milliliters, 300 milliliters. Volume of the solute has been given milliliters. Has been given in milliliters. It is 45 milliliters. Now we can substitute values to formula. 45 milliliters divided by 300 milliliters multiplied by 100. Volume of the solute 45 milliliters and volume of the solution 300 milliliters multiplied by 100. Then we get our answer 15% by volume. What's the percentage by volume concentration of the solution? 15%. Now let's go to the next problem. A bottle contains 3% by volume of hydrogen peroxide. How many milliliters of hydrogen peroxide are in 400 milliliters of the solution? A bottle contains 3% by volume of hydrogen peroxide. How many milliliters of hydrogen peroxide are in 400 milliliters of the solution? We know percentage of the solution is 3% by volume. That means every 100 milliliters of the solution contains 3 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide. Percentage of the solution is 3% by volume. That means every 100 milliliters of the solution contains 3 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide. In 100 milliliters of the solution, there are 3 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Then, in 400 milliliters of the solution, how many milliliters of hydrogen peroxide are there? We can find the answer in this way. 3 milliliters hydrogen peroxide divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 400 milliliters. 3 milliliters divided by 100 milliliters multiplied by 400. By simplifying this, we can get our answer 12 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.